So now can we talk about this corgi butt?
Yeah.
No, it's
Okay.
calm down.
Are you using a 21 inch or no?
No, I'm gonna use 10 inch.
Look at you go.
Well, cause
Rotary cutter or scissors?
poofs.
Okay.
I'm gonna try this. I don't know.
You want 13 inch, buddy?
Yes. So I'm making my poofs
Okay, so you
12
are
inches.
using 10-inch mesh that you threw on the floor to make poofs.
Yes.
What size are your poofs?
12 inches.
12 inches.
Is this gonna work? I don't know. It might not.
What do you want for riptails?
All of it.
How many of each?
How many ties are in them?
3 and 3.
Hi guys.
So if you don't know who this is, it's the Deco Hill. I'm serious. She's so awesome. She made look at it. Look at it.
Corgi butt.
Look at how cute.
The ears.
Isn't it adorable? Oh, sorry. So, Deco, what do you do? You make these?
Yeah.
And what else do you? What is this for? What do we do this?
Well, okay. So originally, guys, when I was asked to come to do this challenge, I had several different ideas. I had all kinds of things we were going to do. Bees, ladybug, just all the summer fun stuff. And then there was some sort of challenge. I don't know, Damon threw it out there asking me to make dog butts.
There was a really bad dog butt,
That's right.
Oh yeah.
and I was like, surely Derek can help us.
So that's why I'm like, the cutest little butt out there is the corgi. It's basically following the same pattern of the bunny butt that we did for No Sew last month. And I think people who made the bunny can easily, migrate it over to make the little corgi.
So Deco here because she's made this and it's being taught in
Yes.
our Expand Your Creativity weekend.
And then in the creative coaching group, once a
Yes.
month,
Yes.
I'm providing a video, a tutorial, a pattern, the whole works on these no-sew patterns. I hope everybody will enjoy making these.
Yes.
And then in the future, we can offer kits with all the fabrics to you on the webpage if you don't want to shop. We can really expand this for people, for everybody.
Yeah. What'd you do while we were gone, Jordan?
Yeah,
I made poofs on this wreath base. Each
Isn't this
one's
cute, you
12
guys?
inches. And then I made 18-inch ruffles.
12-inch with the 10-inch mesh.
Mesh, yes.
So these are 10-inch mesh, all 12-inch poofs.
Mm-hmm.
18-inch.
Yes.
You want me to help you, or am I going to do it wrong again this time?
No, you're fine. You can hold the butt.
No. I'm going to help you with the poofs, with the rolls, with the whatever these are.
I wouldn't do it now. He's gonna redo
I'm
it.
going to do it. I'm going
Don't
to
do
do
it, friend. So this is poly burlap mesh. And this all came from this month's subscription box.
Get home and open it. Use it.
They're asking
We were
if you
slacking,
put in your
Jordan.
curls up or
Sorry.
down.
Down.
You put them down?
Where's your seam at? Is it on top or on the bottom?
This part is on the bottom.
Yeah.
Okay.
Only one? Okay, you can use that. I'll do the old way.
What old way?
He wants to measure every ribbon.
It's not that bad.
Y'all, it's bad.
Is this the part where I get to be faster than you?
Yeah, maybe.
Oh,
debatable.
jeez.
I mean, you can't even get it out in person.
Jordan, do you use a ribbon tail board at home?
I do.
He does now.
I was gonna say I
Not on all occasions.
How many do you need?
Though. 6 of each color.
Oh, I'm doing 14 inches.
What?
the heck?
What month was
You
it?
should
that
like
was-
not give Tammy hers.
All right. Go back to some normalcy. Right? You have 3 different ones?
Mm-hmm.
We got the stripes.
Yeah, I'm putting the black and white in the middle.
Listen, I couldn't count. I watch you do 14 inches. I didn't realize that he does 13 inches.
Oh.
Okay.
Ribbon tails or what? You're correct.
The pink was a very good choice.
Yeah.
For this.
Little,
Yeah.
those little paws.
Mhm. Mm-hmm,
I'm just trying to make
That's
sure.
what I
I,
missed, I think, the most, not seeing, I don't know. People are so helpful.
You're putting them right in the center? Oh, yeah. Love it.
Everyone is after the Michael's cricket now.
Oh, gosh.
I'm obsessed with this border.
On cookies.
But we do wanna know more about these cookies.
Yeah, Debbie, I have
Yes.
no shame. I will send you my address. If you're sending cookies,
Listen.
I am a cookie monster.
She makes the best.
I'm going to zoom out so they can see the
Really?
bow and the rag bow.
go
Did
for
you
it.
not eat the Ribbon Sprinkles on?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we zoomed back out. Yeah.
Good.
Nice big rag bow. Nice big full. Lots of ribbons. Or lots of tails. That's what we made tonight.
Think it needs a bow.
Yeah. Can you have a big, this one?
You can give me a regular size one.
This
That-
one?
Oh no, that one. This one.
Those are our options. Oh, you start from the top?
Yep.
This one?
Yeah, that one.
It's still short, but
You're welcome, Michael.
Because I think because they're hollow, they don't know if there's anything inside.
Debbie Davis says she bought her material for her rag bows.
Sure.
I'm so excited. I cannot wait. I can't wait. I can't wait. Can't wait. You do it from the top down?
Yeah, I told you it's upside down over here. And they're beautiful.
I didn't even get to see it, I was looking at comments.
Why are you adding just, are you adding more or just that?
Yeah, I'm adding more.
Oh.
No, because the girls do it opposite, and you build from the top down,
Yeah.
like I build from the top down, and they build theirs from the bottom up. I can't do it.
I
either.
can't.
How do you do
I
it?
can't do it Jackie or Mel's way. That.
I'm trying to think of how I do it now. I'm sitting here.
And I definitely can't do it Mel's way because she sits there and does each
I
piece.
can't. No, I can't either. It freaks me out.
Pipes cleaner.
I try
little
to do
pipe
it.
cleaner, and I'm like, that's too many steps for me.
No, you do. Okay, no. I do mine from the bottom up. You do yours just the opposite. Yeah.
It's so crazy. I've been doing it for so long. It's just memory.
Mm-hmm.
That's really pretty.
And I am not a talker on camera. On
But-
lives.
But you do when you're teaching,
Yeah.
you're teaching, you're
Yeah.
doing really good.
Yeah.
Chit chatting. That's what I'm here for.
Perfect. What those other scissors?
Oh gosh, that's really cute.
Yep.
So next we'll add, but
Oh,
we'll
tell me
add
your
the.
preference.
We're gonna add
I'm
the
not
They'll be
eucalyptus.
done by the time you get there.
Leave me alone. I'm good. Yes.
Those, I love those so much.
Because I'm not coming back again. It just hurts for a second when I first stand up. And then
You're gonna put that whole thing in there too, just like that.
Yeah. So I have a vision.
I'm totally into your vision.
It's in the flowers, like, because you don't see the face. So
Like he's hiding.
Yeah.
Oh, like Fenway and Hattie, the book we're reading. Oh yeah, he's snuggled back in there. Hiding in the bush. But you know how dogs get in the flowers? Or in the bushes?
oh my gosh, that's so cute. That's really cute.
Very, very good.
It's adorable.
It is adorable.
I really like it.